Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare Xero and FreshBooks. Which really among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. Xero versus FreshBooks in 2025. Two cloud accounting giants go head to head. Which one actually deserves your money this year? Let's break it down. First up, Xero. Originally from New Zealand, it's built for accountants and power users. Think deep features like multi-currency, inventory management, and custom reporting. Great for growing businesses and international teams. On the flip side, FreshBooks shines with simplicity. It's perfect for freelancers, consultants, and small service-based businesses. Invoices, beautiful. Time tracking, built in. Learning curve, basically none. In terms of pricing, FreshBooks start cheaper, but features are tiered. You'll pay more if your client list grows. Xero has a more consistent pricing model and offers more power upfront. But here's the catch. FreshBooks still lacks double entry accounting features unless you're on the higher tier plans, and it's not as robust for teams or inventory. So, how do you choose? If you're a freelancer or solopreneur who just needs to get paid fast, FreshBooks is your best friend. Simple, intuitive, and mobile friendly. But if you're scaling, managing multiple accounts, or need accountant level detail, Xero wins, hands down. So which one is actually better in 2025? The answer, it depends on you. Need power? Go Xero. Need simplicity? Go FreshBooks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!